Today I describe a very interesting story. आज एक बहुत ही दिलचस्प कहानी वर्णन कर रहा हूँ. स्टोरीज नेम, कहानी का नाम है द थीफ्स स्टोरी, चोर की कहानी. दिस स्टोरी हैज़ बीन टेकन फ्रॉम क्लास 10 जैक बोर्ड. ये कहानी जो है क्लास 10 जो जैक बोर्ड में पढ़ता है ली गई है. Especially class 10th student, this video especially for 10th class students. Very interesting story. In this story there are mainly two characters. इस कहानी में दो मुख्य पात्र हैं. एक पात्र है अनिल, who was 25 years old, who was a writer. He used to write articles for magazines and earn money. Another character, Hari Singh. Actually his not real name. He was a thief, cheater. He was 15 years old. Within 15 years old he became a successful thief. मात्र 15 साल की उम्र में ही वो एक सक्सेसफुल चोर बन गए थे. One day Anil, who was watching a wrestling match, एक दिन अनिल एक कुश्ती मैच देख रहा था. Suddenly a man came to him. अचानक एक आदमी उसके सामने आए. He began to praise him. Anil was a very easy-going man and he trusted anybody very easily. The thief, who was a cheater, who wanted to make Anil his friend, and he succeeded. Anil was a man who trusted anybody very easily. The thief, Hari Singh, he said that he wanted to some work for him. But Anil at first he did not agree because he did not afford any salary for him. But thief who agreed without any salary. He told him that he would serve for him. But he was a great liar also. He did not know how to cook. He told Anil that he would cook for him, but it was false. Anil trusted him and took him his home. The thief man purpose how to rob Anil. But Anil was very easy going man. He trusted Hari Singh very deeply. हरि सिंह चीटर थे, धोखेबाज थे, चोर थे. वो किसी तरह अनिल को लूटना चाहते थे. अनिल made him as a servant, but he did not pay any wage for him. Anil gave him keys for homes, for his home, and he also used to give him money for shopping. The thief who saved every day 1 rupee with shopping. One day Anil came home with a bundle of note, 600 rupees. He sold his books and earned money. And Anil was also very careless. He always got money and spent the money with his friends. ₹600 he brought home and kept it. It was mattress, under the mattress where he was sleeping. The Hari Singh, who noticed everything, now who decided that he robbed that money. One day when Anil was sleeping, the Hari Singh robbed that money secretly and fled from his home, and he went to the railway station. He went away somewhere, stealing that Anil's money. But when the Lucknow Express train came and moved away, but the thief changed his mind. Now he did not want to run away. He thought that if he would learn person, he would earn much money than robbing. एक दिन जब अनिल सो रहे थे तो अचानक जो है वो चोर जो है उसका जो मनी था 600 रुपया वो लूट लिया और तय कर लिया कि वो भाग जाएंगे। और ऐसा ही किया, वो चले गए ट्रेन पकड़ने के लिए, भाग कर ट्रेन पकड़ने के लखनऊ एक्सप्रेस। लेकिन क्या हुआ, उसका मन परिवर्तन हो गया, वो नहीं गया। He decided to come back Anil's home because Anil was very trusted man who gave him shelter, who taught him how to cook, how to write alphabet and his name. अनिल ऐसा व्यक्ति था, उन्होंने जब चोर को महसूस हुआ कि अनिल एक ऐसा व्यक्ति है जो बहुत से विश्वास पात्र हैं, उन्होंने उसको आश्रय दिया रहने के लिए, खाने के लिए। इतना ही नहीं, उसको विश्वास किया। तो ऐसे व्यक्ति उसके लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण हो गया अभी। नाउ ही डिसाइडेड दैट ही कम बैक होम, दैट ही कम बैक टू Anil's home. Then he started for Anil's back to home. That time Anil was still sleeping. When the thief was running towards the train station, it was raining, and that was the result. The note of the bundle became wet. Next morning when जब दूसरा दिन जब अनिल जागा तो उसके लिए चाय बना के लिए, चोर के लिए चाय बना के हाजिर हो गए। और इन स्पाइट ऑफ पनिश हिम, दंड देने के बजाय उन्होंने ही रिवार्डेड। Then he decided to Hari Singh he would pay 50 rupees per day for his सर्विस। उन्होंने उस चोर को पनिश देने के बजाय उन्होंने उसे हर दिन, प्रत्येक दिन 50 रुपया देने के लिए वादा किया कि अब उसको सैलरी 50 रुपया मिलेगा। Anil was a great-hearted man. If he would like to punish Hari Singh easily, but he did not so. Did not so like this. He wanted to correct him. He wanted to become a perfect man, and from that day, the thief was become an honest man. Now he stopped to stealing. Now he stopped to robbing. That was changed by Anil. Anil was a man who changed the thief's life. तो कहानी इस तरह है कि वो जब भाग गए थे रुपया लेके, उसके बाद उसका मन परिवर्तन हो गया और वो फिर अनिल के घर पहुंच गया, क्योंकि उन्होंने सोचा कि अनिल के जैसा आदमी होता नहीं, जिन्होंने उसको खाने के लिए, रहने के लिए घर दिया, खाने के लिए भोजन दिया, उसके बाद पढ़ाया भी. फिर वो जो है दैट द थीव who stole the money, he kept under the mattress, the same mattress, under the mattress. और उसके बाद जो है वो पैसा को उसी चटाई के नीचे रख दिया. अनिल जब सुबह होने के बाद जब वो चाय तैयार करके चोर को देने के, हरि सिंह को देने लगे और बोला कि आज से तुम्हारे काम के लिए तुम्हें 50 रुपया प्रतिदिन दिया जाएगा. इस तरह अनिल उसको पनिश न, एक चोर को पनिश न देकर उसको जीवन में परिवर्तन कर दिया. तो अनिल वॉज ए ग्रेट दैट हु चेंज्ड ए थीफ्स लाइफ, जिन्होंने एक चोर का जीवन को परिवर्तन कर दिया. ये कहानी बहुत ही अच्छा है. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू, प्लीज़ वॉच दिस और लिसन दिस स्टोरी फॉर द स्पेशली क्लास 10th स्टूडेंट. थैंक यू.